Friday's DevCast. I'm Grant, and I'm going to be taking you through some of the latest updates to Bloodstone. So let's get started. We're going to click join on the loading screen, and that's going to load us into the world. Some of the things that we've been working on recently are adding new armors, new shields, new weapons, new playstyles, building out the terrain, adding new villages, refining some of the mechanics. You can see on the health and stamina and mana bars, we've now added numbers. The mini-map works in the main town. We're still replicating it across a very large open map. We've been working on persistence and respawning so that we can get a dedicated server build in the next couple of weeks to allow our testers to play dynamically over the multiplayer and really work out some of the kinks and bugs required for us to have that first dev build that we can share with the public. So if you look here, we're not starting in the main town right now. We're actually starting at a little village that we created. So this is an Asian-inspired village. We come over here. You can see there's a little path right here, back there actually down. Let's go check that out. The weather system and the day and night system has been fixed and implemented. So you'll see while we play, the weather will change. It takes about 2 hours for day to switch to night, so we won't have that. It's now starting in the day for testing, before it was nighttime. So you can come down here, you can see this little path to both. We still got to work this out a little better. Some rough stuff I was doing today. Little food dog protecting the rice paddies, which are cool. And then we built this little town up here. So we've really been focused on not only working on the key core systems, fixing bugs, developing new content, ways to create content rapidly. So let's go look at the town here. So you can see this little Asian-inspired town with leaves falling. Looks very cinematic and dynamic. It's really cool. Seemed to turn out really well. This was just started today, so we still got a lot of polishing to do, but so far it's turning out pretty well.
How many is that this week?
We'll come up here.
I lost count.
I moved over
Tuesday.
a copy for the
generous
NPCs, for the
donation.
armor, the weapon, the blacksmith, and the potion dealer over here. We'll also have a few NPCs scattered around that do like quests and stuff. I haven't reskinned them with an Asian theme yet for the Asian town, but they're placeholders for now. So that's really what we got for the Asian town right now. And it's on a path out of the main
Another
town
day,
over towards
another
Archipelago,
hopeful
which I'll show off in a
adventurer.
second.
If they keep coming, we're gonna need a bigger
The horse is
burial
now
plot.
working. Name bars and health bars are over mobs. Name bars over NPCs now, as you see. We got map icons, the mini map. We have to upgrade the mini map because the open world's very big, so you don't see the background image right now. We've been working on the horse. You can tell the sound's a little better now. And it looks like it runs and feels a little faster and smoother because it does, so it's good. The horse is going really well. Like I said, we've added 16 new shields, about 6 or 7 new armor sets, and a couple new weapons to test. We've added starting items, we've added mid-game items, some later game, and then some in-game items. You can see here with the Stormbreaker Cosmic Armor, you glow like a galaxy. So this is obviously an in-game armor. Right now you can buy it in the shop, but it's really going to realistically be from either a raid boss, or you have to do some condition or a puzzle or something you have to solve in the world to get. Obviously we have to gate it, but it modifies your stats a lot, and so it's a very in-game item. We also have the fire armor here. If you look on the right, you can see the stats are going off the screen, so we have to make that scroll and present a little better, but these items modify your stats quite a bit to make you a lot more powerful. We also have the Staff of Light, which provides a light source. You're going to start with a basic torch, but this is a more in-game item as it ups your magic damage quite a bit. We have our dark bow, we have a magic pistol, which I'm going to show off, and we have some earlier game armor as well. We got a magic sword, which looks really cool. We'll pull that out. This one boosts your magical stats like the Staff of Light a lot. The rune sword, it's not fully finished yet. The rune sword is going to actually shoot pressure waves like sword slashes as its attack. And hit directly, but just as a base version of it. It'll obviously be a later game item. It looks really cool. So yeah, we've been adding a lot of content around items and armors and stat modifiers. We have more mob types now. We have 10 different demon mob types, which will expand soon. You can see the weather system, like I mentioned, it's starting to snow now, which is pretty cool. It's starting to get foggy. It adds this extra dynamicism to the game. So let's pull out and test our magic pistol here. This is going to be a more later mid-tier in-game item. The ammo is going to be super expensive to craft and to purchase. There's going to be different ammos that have different effects. Like this one has a knockback. You have ones that stun, ones that electrocute, and do AoE damage, slow time, like just different effects, like different spells, but they're in the form of a bullet, which is pretty cool. Makes it a little easier to hunt these guys, but as you can see, it still takes a lot to fight them. We get a range of name bars to optimize it, and that guy is always hard to fight. You never want to take any physical damage from the mobs. They will kill you in about 2 shots. They're very difficult. So fighting some of these types is quite challenging, and it's meant that way. From go, it's not just some easy wolf you go and kill. It's meant to be a challenging fight. It's a game. You have to figure it out. It's not meant to be, which makes it more fun. Obviously, with in-game items like this, it's a little bit easier, right? But if I were to use starting items, I probably wouldn't kill. Oh shit! Fucking one of them. So let's use some magic now. So that's the magic pistol, which is super cool. It's really fun to play with. Expect to see lots of cool effects with that one. But again, it's going to be gated by the ammo cost. So let's throw some magic at this bit. You can see how the magic sword does a lot of damage because it's a super in-game item that boosts your magical stats quite a bit. There are gathering resources that literally only you can get from killing the demons, like demon bone and demon blood. So to craft some items will be drops from mobs. There will be some that from raid bosses as well. So we have lots of new resource types too. We have about 5 or 6 new resource types that are being included in some of the new recipes. So we've been really focused on building out a lot of that content while we fix bugs and shape the world so we can bring it to you in a fun, playable style soon. So next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks, we should have it deployed. We should have it deployed in a dedicated server that everybody can join and we can test together, test the PvP, test the combat against players, and report bugs. We're still working on some persistence and some of the respawn logic just to make it feel a little better. If that makes sense. So stay tuned to that, and you'll see here these guys just fuck me up. So that's the demo and dev vlog for this week. We're obviously focused on building out the world, building out the systems to make it feel good, so we can get the test out as we develop the other core systems and other core gameplay features. So, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe below, comment. You can also join our Discord server by clicking the link below, and stay tuned and hang out with us. And thanks for joining. Don't forget to tell your friends who might be into gaming to check us out, and have a good day. Thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate it.